Hey guys, how's it going? And today I have a big unboxing from Cubes4speed. So in here are going to be quite a few puzzles, actually. You can kind of already start to see them. So I ordered this not too long ago, maybe 3 or 4 days ago, but I haven't been home since I've been on my trip. So first cube is the Yushin 3x3. I'm ordering some Mario soft springs for it since I've heard that kind of helps it. Don't really care about the box and this plastic wrapping. And then I think these come with the new brighter shades because the other Yushin, the later Yushin 3x3 had matte stickers. But let's try this out. Okay, so right off the bat I have a corner twist. Okay, so this is pretty nice. Tensions are kind of loose. Yeah, it's pretty loose. But pretty nice cube. So next I have a white cheese cube. So there's the I think it's an Allen key or something like that. I'm not sure. I think it's to tension the ball bearings that are inside the centers, if I'm correct. But here we go. Okay. This is pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It has a really light click. It feels really nice though. I think once I get some stickers for it, this might be my main. Yeah, pretty nice. So the next puzzle that we have is a Kong's Design Mei-Ying. So I went to a competition and I tried one of these and it was really nice. But of course it was set up properly. So I hope that I'll be able to set this up as well as that person's Mei-Ying. Stickers are Moyu shades. So let's get into first turns. Okay, so this has a really weird feel. It's hard to explain. It's kind of like a scratchy feel, but it's smooth and scratchy, so kind of like a Moyu puzzle, but I really do like it. Hopefully with some setting up, this would be really nice. Next puzzle is a Fengshi Guanyin. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got it in the 57mm. I had a Fengshi Shuangren V2, but I let someone borrow it and they haven't given it back yet. But let's get into first turns. Okay, it feels, yeah, it's really tight. I am getting some locking issues, and I messed that up. Oh, there we go. But, yeah, it is pretty locky. Can't even do line to line right now, but it is very tight. Feeling is it's scratchy, but it's not that bad. I mean, but it can definitely use some lubing and tensioning. So the next puzzle is a Tanglong, a white Tanglong. I've really been looking forward to this since I got an Along GT, and I've heard that these are really good too. And so I'll do a comparison of the Along GT and the Tanglong. So let's get into first turns. Okay. It's very smooth. It's like really smooth. It feels kind of slow though, like kind of sluggish. Corner cutting, 45. It is. It's a little tight. It's tighter than what I would have it on. Corner cutting, and I can do a little over 45. Reverse. Okay. Reverse is about 3/4 of a piece. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah. The lubing, tensioning, this could be really nice. So the next puzzle here, ooh, yes, the Yushin 5x5. I'm really excited for this. Comes with a nice box. I've heard that some people's won't close, but this one seems to close fine. These outer layers do look a little bigger than the inner, or than the centers. But let's get into first turns. Oh, this is really nice. Yeah. Oh, there's a lockup. I say it's really nice right as I get a lockup. Yeah, it's really nice. It's smooth. Yeah, it's really smooth. Corner cutting. There's a piece. Go a little over. Yeah, I can do that. A little more. Nah. So just about a piece. Reverse. It's about half of a piece. But yeah, this is really nice. This might even take over my outro. Inner corner cutting is inner corner cutting is a little lacky. Yeah, but this is a really nice puzzle. I think it might be my main. This last puzzle is the Chi Pyraminx. I got it in stickerless because I thought it looked kind of nice. Okay, so wow. Here's another Allen key. I think that's what you call it. But the first thing I notice is these holes are really big. So let's get into first turns. Oh, the tips. Tips are okay. Okay, sorry about that background noise. My aunt is being like really loud. This is pretty nice. Tips do feel really weird. It's very springy. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, again, sorry for the background noise. But yeah, this is pretty nice. It feels kind of light. Something to notice is that right here, it is kind of like a white plastic, but I'm fine with that. So yeah, okay guys, so that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe. It really does help me. And I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.